When talking fails and walking away isn't an option, what's your next move? In a fight for survival, only three things matter: acceptance, commitment, and breathing. Master these, and you turn fear into power. The pen is mightier than the sword. But what if the pen breaks? What if talking your way out fails? When forced to defend yourself, verbal judo, the art of calming conflict with words, may not be enough. In those critical moments when you can't walk away or talk your way out, survival depends on three things: acceptance, commitment, and breathing. Today we're going to break them down, so if you ever find yourself cornered, you'll know exactly how to respond. It's about controlling a situation through language, diffusing tension, and preventing violence before it starts. But reality isn't always that cooperative. There are situations where your opponent isn't listening, where they're beyond reason, or where the threat is already physical. In those moments, words lose their power. That's when your mindset, not just your muscle, becomes your greatest weapon. The first key is acceptance. And I don't mean giving up, I mean acknowledging reality without denial. The sooner you accept, yes, this is happening, the sooner you can act effectively. Showing hesitation or fear in these moments is like showing your cards in a poker game. The other person will sense weakness. Think of it like preparing for an exam. If you waste time denying that the test is coming, you lose valuable study time. In a fight, denial wastes precious seconds you can't get back. Once you've accepted the situation, the second key is commitment. Half-hearted actions will get you hurt. This is not the time to test the waters. You need to commit 100% to defending yourself. That means moving with purpose, striking with intention, and protecting yourself without hesitation. Imagine taking an exam but deciding to only answer some questions. You're setting yourself up to fail. In self-defense, hesitation is the enemy. Commitment communicates confidence, and confidence can intimidate an aggressor before you even make contact. The third key, and the most underestimated, is breathing. Your breathing controls your body's ability to stay calm, focused, and strong. In high adrenaline situations, people often hold their breath or breathe too fast. Both will drain your energy in seconds. Learn to breathe naturally during a fight. Inhale when you can, exhale with controlled force. But be careful. Breathing out with every punch in a rapid exchange can cause hyperventilation. Balance is key. Think of breathing as your lifeline. Without it, your power and focus fade quickly. Fighting and preparing for an exam have more in common than you think. You accept that the test is coming. You commit to studying hard. And you control your focus under pressure. In self-defense, you accept the fight, commit fully to action, and breathe to stay in control. It's not about rage, it's about readiness. In the end, self-defense isn't just about fighting, it's about controlling your mind as much as your body. When talking fails, remember the three keys: accept, commit, breathe. Prepare now, so that if the day ever comes, you're not just reacting, you're ready. Stay safe, stay aware, and I'll see you in the next video.